Hey, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. How you all doing out there? I'm doing a call out to all my Australian friends, brothers and sisters out there. I do have some friends in Australia, and I think it's about mid-afternoon for them right now, so I promised them I'd help them out. Share this wonderful thing that we call Onpassive. Let me tell you, when I found out there's 25 million beautiful Aussies on this big, beautiful island, I got excited. Right now, Onpassive, and I'll tell you about that in a minute, is just entering Australia. We got some teams growing out there, and we want to get deep into the Australian country. Beautiful country, by the way. So let me tell you about Onpassive. Onpassive is a brand new IT company. All right, it's going to launch this year. We're pretty close to soft launch right now. It's a $97 position. Okay, they get you into a multi-million-dollar company. And I'm doing this live just to help out some of my Australian brothers and sisters who might be a little shy or, don't want to get out there live. But that's okay. But, we have over 50 products, all artificial intelligence and Onpassive. And one of them I really want to talk to you about is Oh Bless. Okay? Last year you had some devastating fires in Australia that really, really hurt many millions of acres of land. I had my friends send me some videos. I was checking it out, and I thought, what better way to reach out? Oh Bless is one of our tools in Onpassive, and it's like you could say a GoFundMe. Oh Bless gives 100% of the funds to the charities. So in other words, a lot of the platforms out there that help get money to people, the charities, they take anywhere from 17 to 30%. 17 to 30% of money that's given to these charities, they take it for their business. All right? Onpassive will never take a dime of that money. 100% of that money goes to those charities. So I'm reaching out to Australia right now, and we have, I believe they're called I'm not sure, the Aussie team. If I said that wrong, I apologize. But we're trying to get deeper into Australia. All right, so if you are from Australia, you live in Australia, share this video out there. We're trying to get as many people we can in because right now here it's 10:30, almost 11 o'clock at night. And I know it's mid-afternoon, so we're on these crazy times, but I really do want to help out Australia. Think about this. Your kids are going to be going to universities. Onpassive, pretty much when they launch, is going to be a marketing tool for you. All right, you're basically paying $97, all right, for them to build you a business. It's 100% artificial intelligence, 100% automated. It's 100% digital. That means it's all done for you. You really don't have to do anything but sign up. It's a brick and mortar company. All right, we are a global company. It's 100% legalized to the whole world. Licensed. We have law firms. We have everything. And if I start talking too much, I just love talking about Onpassive. But I'm reaching out to my Australian brothers and sisters. All right? We want to get you involved in this. So if anyone shares this video, get back with them. I'm just doing a quick live. Get back with that person, and they're going to introduce you to Onpassive. Okay? It really is an amazing company. I myself worked 32 years in the auto industry. I've worked labor my whole life. And, Australian people, I know they care about their families. They're hardworking people. And I want to help get you better lives through Onpassive. So if someone shares this, they really care about you. They absolutely care about you. So I'm pushing Australia. I'm going to be doing it for the next 2 to 3 weeks. I want to get in as deep as I can into Australia. I want to get you all. So can you imagine you got 25 million Aussies living in Australia, and just imagine if you all got in Onpassive and you all put $1 in a fund. 100% of it will go to help start rebuilding some of those things, those fires burn up, or the flooding. Help out people that lost their homes. It's really an amazing thing. We do have 50 products, all artificial intelligence. Everything that you see on the internet now, we have, and it's all in one company, and that's called Onpassive. It's nonstop. When we launch to the world, you'll pay a package fee, but I'm going to let the person that shares it with you tell you about that. What they do is they're going to send out a 7-day free trial campaign in your name. We'll use Julie Wen today, juliewen.com. They're going to send it out 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Okay, as these people click on these free trials from all over the world, they're going to see these phenomenal products that Onpassive has. No one could, by the way, no one can even come close to what we have. It's that good. Artificial intelligence, machine thinking. It's unbelievable. Targeted traffic. So when they click on these 7-day free trials, all right, they see what it is, they sign up. Well, now that gets put on what they call teams or under you, and you're going to earn a residual income. So all my Australians out there, there's 4.7 billion internet users right now. Our market is huge, as big as my head, okay? 650,000 brand new people a day joining social media. So you can see how big our market is. And you really don't have to do anything. It's an amazing thing. All we ask you to do is share like I'm doing, or you can post something, or you can be passive and not have to do a thing. But I'm calling out to Australia. All right. I want to get you all in this. I want to help you fix anything that's wrong in your country as far as from fires, floods, homelessness. We want to help fix all that. And that's what Onpassive was designed to do, to help the little guy, not the 3 people on the top who always make the big bucks. The CEO, Asmafara, has designed this to help people like me, you, and everyone else. Okay. And it doesn't matter who you are, what you are. People, if you're handicapped and you can't work, let Onpassive bring your independence. Get your independence back for you. It's really beautiful, beautiful company. We do have a platform also that he brought out. It's called Old Women. To all you beautiful Australian Aussies out there, this is a platform strictly for ladies only. All right. It's called Women Empowering Women. It's an unbelievable thing. We do have webinars on that for ladies only, which I think you'll be excited about. But man, don't you want something good in your life? Because this is what it is. I know this world and these governments, they're not helping us out. They think they are, but they're not. Onpassive was designed to change the wealth of the world, to help the little guy. So I'm talking way too much. All right. Share this. If you're a founder in Australia, I'm going to do these every day about this time for a couple weeks just to get this out more. And I'm positive more of the founders in Australia will start coming out doing lives and making posts so we can get everyone in Australia. So get back with the person that shared this video. Don't get back to me. You can get back to me. I'm going to give them to my Australian folks over there. But get back with the Australian people that share this with you and join this company, and it'll completely change your life. All right. I love you all. I'm praying for you, praying for this world. Onpassive's definitely going to make it better. I didn't say anyone's names in here, guys. I appreciate you being on here because I want to just talk about Australia. All right, guys. I got to go. Australians, get in this because it's coming.